What was your idea for your inquiry project for Design Studio?
We were initially drawn to work together because we were both motivators, and because we come from different teaching backgrounds, we decided on a "Who am I?" question for our Design Studio project to kind of include both of our backgrounds so that we both could use the project.
Well, what did each of you contribute?
You can go first.
Well, because I am coming from a special ed background, I worked on trying to think outside the box and using the technology that would best work for my students with more significant learning needs. And I created a Lolio note presentation that would be more applicable to my students to create an inclusive process for them.
And Amy also came up with the instructional sequence posted on the wiki. I curated some resources into a guru collection, and I made a secondary example of what a student product would look like.
Well, how will each of you implement your projects?
Well, in a special education setting, I will be able to use it to transition my students back into the school year and include them in a general education setting, and I won't know where I'm going yet, so I can use it to not only get to know my students, but for my students to get to know each other.
And my students' summer reading assignment was to read any biography, autobiography, or memoir, so I'm going to use the project to connect to their summer reading assignment and to start creating a classroom culture with my own students.
What did each of you learn about yourselves as teachers?
I learned that there are a vast amount of instructional technologies out there that I had never known before, and I feel more confident in using them in my classroom now.
Yeah, I definitely learned that I'm not as illiterate as I thought I was, and I'm more capable than I perhaps started the week thinking. So it was great.
Awesome.